You with JP?
Parsons.
Oh, you the man.
Well, I don't know about the man.
Yeah, Mr. Parsons. I think I got some Parsons on here too.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Linda,
yeah, they be on.
Linda probably.
Yeah, Linda. All that. Golly, that's your mama.
That is my wife. That's his mama.
Oh, his mama. What? Oh, that's something. Golly, I'm getting everything. God, I'm getting it all right now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch up. I'm
Back
trying
in
to.
Arkansas, she didn't want to come with us. I wish she had her, but
Yeah.
she held down the fort while we're gone.
Okay, she hold it down the fort. Okay, well, she know what she doing
She's the
then.
one that's got all the money.
Hey, Linda, holla at me. Let me tell her my cash app. Linda, my cash app 214-514-9545. I got Zelle, Apple Pay, all that. They told me you got the money. You must got your PPP too. Talk to me quick, not slick. Yeah, L10 tonight. L10. Yeah.
1 on 10, and then we're gonna make next week 2 on 20.
You gonna take that long?
We're gonna have 2 races.
You gonna take that
1
long?
on 10 tonight.
Dick the night, don't you? You gonna dick the night, don't you?
We got little dick. We got
I
little
know
dick.
y'all do.
We're gonna put that
It's
little
cold
dick.
out here. It might do this. Tell this right here. It might do that.
What they finna do, y'all? Oh, she done put all her extra money in that car, y'all.
We'll do it tonight.
I thought Linda had that check. Linda ain't got that check like we all thought, y'all.
Oh, yeah, I bet you $1,000.
Shout out to Linda Paws, y'all. Shout out to Linda Paws one time. Big Nuke. Got Big Nuke over there talking his noise. Got 10 back. Yeah.
Big city. Hey, big city. It's gonna be $7 no more. It's just gonna be dollars. It's just gonna be dollars. After that race, it's just gonna be dollars. That's it. No more silver. No more silver.
It's easy for y'all to put $1 each hand. Look, it's $20,
Hey.
kids and all.
This nigga
We can't kick like how y'all messes kicking this shit.
Oh yeah,
we got a track.
oh yeah, dude. We're freaking still cleaning this track. We're gonna make sure this thing is all the way cleaned up, man.
Cleaned up, we'll be back to racing.
Oh yeah, dude. It's gonna
We
take
baby
probably
Sydney
another
fans,
freaking
high
hour,
ride,
but
man,
hey,
through there.
it doesn't matter. We're gonna do what it takes for our fans, man.
Appreciate everyone's patience, man.
How big a motorsports get all this business out of just nowhere? We just come out of nowhere.
My chest out right here, huh? What? You want the heat? You want the heat? Huh? Yeah, I'm talking to her right now.
Say something. Close your eyes. Close your ears, mama. Close your ears, mama.
Go, man.
Yeah. 2 days later. Man, hey, look at how many people online anyway? How many people online watching on YouTube? Can I get a
Once again, we got the cleanup.
count check one time for the one time?
Real quick, and you got your tech card.
Yeah, they still cleaning. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna get this oil spill cleaned all the way up, dude. We don't care if it take 3 hours. Oh yeah, we don't care about how much you paid. None of that matters, man. We're gonna make sure this thing is cleaned up. We're gonna bring the scrapers, the John Deere tractors, and glue and everything. Oh yeah, man, my buddy beat this glue freaking years ago, man. We have barrels of it. We're gonna use all of the barrels.
Cute. You're gonna get in trouble for talking like that.
I don't care. I don't care.
You don't give a fuck.
Nope.
So you don't give up. Beep.
Nope. You can say fuck.
Yeah,
I don't care.
I mean, we just pair next to each other. Not really, because it's two.
Share this, guys. I got several watching from Arkansas. I got 360 people watching, 127 likes. Why we can't never make that add up? What is the problem? Help me understand. Why is it 360 people watching, but 106? I know y'all. I tell y'all what. I'm finna put a new rule out. I'ma solve all that, and I ain't getting no money anyway. Hold up, they wanted the it don't matter, 176. It's 200 more people watching and it ain't Stop calling me, man. I'm gonna have to just block everybody else. Cause I gotta say this. What are you talking about?
K9 Racing from 504 said, what he
K9 Racing. Look out, K9 Racing, man. I'm gonna tell you what to do, man. I got this YouTube channel, right? Everybody be talking about, oh yeah, man, you're freaking awesome, incredible, it's funny, it's entertaining, all of that. But we can't get these likes up. I'm gonna do something that they don't like. Cause I don't like no likes. And in return, we finna turn this motherfucker off. We gonna turn it off. I know how to solve it. We don't get these likes up. We don't get these likes up. I've been out here holding this camera 2 hours. We don't get these likes up. What's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Bam, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this car and
yeah, we gotta get the lights up. Crack smoker said.
That'd be interesting. Saturday night in the house. What's going on, man? Say, man, let me give you a lesson on what a bird look like. Okay,
yeah.
Start right here and wait a minute.
Just get them lights up. Y'all watching for free. No commercials. Hit a button. I ain't doing nothing but clean the track. Oh yeah, man, I couldn't freaking press the like button. It was too freaking completely funny and full of action. I could never find the button. I ain't doing nothing now.
Good to have you house, man. You know I can always give y'all a hard time, man.
All right. They think I'm talking about my people on my TikTokers. Y'all good. Yeah. For my people that's watching on TikTok, just to let y'all know, I'm on YouTube 1080p. We on
I put 500 on it.
We on YouTube in 1080p. Y'all can check it out. Put it on your 70 inch. Some of y'all got a 75. Okay. Oh snap! Michael Wagner just sent me 50 for great live feed.